Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huawei Nova 11 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to take a photo in 50 megapixels on this Huawei device. To do it, first you need to open the camera application, then on this panel of your device, you need to scroll right to the More function. And here you will see the high res option. Click on it, and here you will see the 50 megapixels. So you can use 50 megapixels with AI, with artificial intelligence, or without it. I suggest to use it with artificial intelligence, because without the artificial intelligence in 2023 any application can't work properly. So as you can see, with artificial intelligence we can create really beautiful photos with really great situation, with really great colors, with really natural colors, completely by clicking on one button. And you don't need to prepare this photo in Lightroom or in Photoshop to post it in Instagram. You can post it just now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the other channel, and bye.